Hi, this is Kelly Acheson, owner of Adventure Engine. I'm in the Adventure Engine booking management system right now. I'm going to show you how to easily change the customer on an order. I go to the Orders tab. I can search for an order using any one of these fields. I see my most recent orders placed over here on the left and my upcoming bookings over here on the right. I want to open up this order and I need to change the customer. Might be because of an error, might be the primary customer has changed. So I'm going to open the order and I'm going to click the Guest Information tab. I'm going to open the form for this guest and I'm going to click the Add Change Customer. And I can search for an existing customer or I can create a new customer. I'm changing this to this customer already existing in my system, Jack Smith. I choose it. I can complete fields now or later if there's any changes, and I click Update Customer and Assign to Itinerary. And then after that, it's critical that I scroll down and click Update Order. So I've updated the order and now the primary customer is Jack Smith.